Hello everyone, in this video I will show you exactly how to use Claude AI, and this video is only for beginners, so let's do it. First of all, here you can see I just open my browser and search Claude AI, and here I can find the website. Just open it. So after open, here you can see there have an option continue with Google, or you can type your email and password manually. So I simply select continue with Google. Right now here I select my email, and after that here you can see select continue, and right now here you can see this is the main interface of your Claude AI. Right now on the left side here you can see a lot of advanced feature. Here you can see you can check them by yourself. Also here showing the recent search. So here you can see this search history you can also delete if you don't want. And right now I'm showing you here, you just need to do the chat. Here you can see I just waiting for answer. So every question you get answer perfectly. So right now here you can see there have a plus option, and also on the right side there have a option for voice. You can comment by voice. Also you can type something. So if you just select this plus, there have other option you can see. So there have an option add file or photos. So if you just select it, if you select any picture, and if you just want to know about it, so here you can see if I just want to know about this picture or photo, I'm just waiting for answer. Here you can see this is thumbnail or banner image for YouTube. Here you can see they got it perfectly. Here you can see. So right now you can also add here or upload any PDF file, long PDF file, and if you just want to know about the key of your PDF, they can easily give you the great feedback. So here I'm just showing you, just select add file, and here I just select this PDF and want to know about it. Here you can see I'm just waiting and it's going for analyze. So here you can see the main key is, here you can see this is actually a IELTS listening transcript. Here you can see they give the key. Here you can see. So guys, in this way you can use Claude AI if you are beginner. Also you can hide this bar like this. You can get a big skin right now, and if you want you can open it. So that's it guys, I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.